Oh. Eggnog, egg work. How dare you call everyone a kid? I hate you, eggnog, egg work. This is why I hate eggnog, egg work. Number one, he always comments the sun on inflation roulette. It's because he hates it so much. It is just a normal furry game. Now, second, I survived inflation roulette. He commented, bro, grown man playing weird game. He added a sabu. At number 3, this is even worse. He keeps adding sabu emojis at the end. Oh my god. I hope this channel will be terminated soon.